Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello dear students of first year of the HSC program of this Syed Ahmed College Study Center. At the very outset, my salam and good wishes to you. Hope you are well by the grace of Allah. Welcome you all to my today's online class on HSC English first paper. Today I am going to deal with a passage entitled Kuakata, the daughter of the sea, belonging to Lesson-5 of unit-8 of the textbook English 1. Going through the text, we learn what Kuakata is, its location, the causes behind its becoming a much sought after tourist destination, the story behind the origin of the name of Kuakata, the causes behind its being the Virgin Beach, a sanctuary for the migratory birds and a sacred place for both the Hindus and the Buddhists. Let us now discuss what Kuakata is. Kuakata is a beautiful sea beach. It is called the Sagar Kanya or the daughter of the sea because it originates from the sea, the Bay of Bengal. Just as a daughter originates from her mother's womb. Kuakata is a rare scenic spot. In other words, it is a spot or place which is ripe with unique natural beauties. Then its location. Kuakata is located at Lota sub-union of Kolapara police station under Putukali district. It is on the southernmost tip of Bangladesh. We know that a girl or a woman wears a tip on the forehead which is almost at one end of her body. In the like manner, Kuakata is located at such a place which is at the tip or the margin of the southernmost part of Bangladesh. It is 30 kilometers long. What is the length of Kuakata? A question may arise. The possible answer is Kuakata is nearly 30 kilometers long. What is the length of Kuakata? The length of Kuakata is 30 kilometers. And what is the breadth of Kuakata? The breadth of Kuakata is 6 kilometers. That is, Kuakata is 6 kilometers broad. It is 70 kilometers from the Putukali district headquarters. And the road distance of Kuakata from Dhaka is 320 kilometers. That is Kuakata is 320 kilometers away from Dhaka. It is called a much sought after tourist destination. Kuakata is regarded as a much sought after tourist destination. The expression a much sought after tourist destination refers to a unique place or spot where visitors from home and abroad desire to visit time and again. It has a lot of scenic beauties. Natural beauty, sandy beaches, the blue sky, the vast water of the sea of the Bay of Bengal, the green vegetation, the green forest, etc. attract the visitors. And a picturesque, a unique combination of all these beautiful things makes Kuakata a much sought after tourist spot or tourist destination. The most striking feature of Kuakata is that a visitor from it can witness both the sunrise and the sunset. And this is such a striking feature of Kuakata that it makes Kuakata a most attractive tourist spot in the world. Sandy beach of Kuakata slopes gently down into the Bay of Bengal. As a result, people or the visitors can easily take a bath in the water of Kuakata. One can swim in the water of Kuakata. One can dive into the water of Kuakata. Swimming is as interesting as diving or bathing in its water. Then there is a story behind the origin of the name of Kuakata. The name of Kuakata originates from the story of a kua or well that is dug on the seashore. It has been said that the Rakhains once were discarded or expelled from Arakans by the Mughals, and the expelled Rakhains landed on the seashore for collecting fresh water, fresh drinking water. They first dug a kua or well, and following this first kua or well, it became a tradition to dig wells on every houses of the homestead or the homestead of the shore. And since then, it has been named Kuakata. Their learners, this kua well was dug for the supply of pure drinking water, and therefore the beach adjacent to the Bay of Bengal is named Kuakata. Next, Kuakata is a virgin beach. So why is Kuakata called a virgin beach? There are some reasons behind it. Kuakata is regarded as a virgin beach mainly because of its unique natural beauty. A virgin girl has her freshness, has her beauty of purity that soothes one's eyes. In the same way, the Kuakata has the freshness of its natural beauty that attracts the visitors, and that also soothes the eyes of the visitors. And so, Kuakata is regarded as, as a beach. It is so beautiful a place that visitors from home and abroad gather here and enjoy the natural beauties of this place. It is also called a sanctuary for the migratory birds, especially in winter. Birds from different countries of the world gather here and live here, and it becomes their abode. It becomes their sanctuary. However, the visitors enjoy the fishing boats with their colorful sails, the dashing sea waves, the lines of the coconut trees, the green vegetations, etc. All these things enhance the further beauty and color of the virgin beach, Kuakata. Again, the age-old tradition of this area is indicated by the indigenous cultures that are followed, that are observed in this area. By the indigenous culture of the Rakhine community, an 100 years old Buddhist temples lying over there indicates that this is really a traditional place, an enjoyable place. The Kuakata is also called a holy place for the Hindus and the Buddhists. Kuakata is a holy land for the Hindus and the Buddhists. The traditional events like the Rash Purnima and Maghi Purnima festivals are arranged here. These festivals are arranged and they are also attended by the Hindus and the Buddhists, and thousands of devotees come here on these occasions and take holy bath in the water of Kuakata. Again, there are traditional fairs, and thousands of people come here on these days to visit and enjoy the fairs also. Dear learners, these are the charming features of Kuakata. In course of reading the passage about Kuakata, we also come across some important words like rare. Rare means a very unusual, something very unusual. Rare means very unusual, very uncommon. It is an adjective. Then picturesque. Picturesque means very beautiful, unique, very beautiful. Picturesque is also an adjective. Another word is expanse. Expanse is also an important word. It is a noun. It means a vast sheet of water, especially of the sea. Then origin. Origin means root of something or the source of something. Origin is also noun. Then shore. Shore means beach. Shore is a noun. It means beach. Then sandy. Sandy means full of sands, covered with sand. Sandy is an adjective. Sandy is an adjective. Then homestead. Homestead means house and its surrounding. Homestead is also a noun. Homestead is a noun. Homestead means the surrounding, and homestead means a house and its surrounding area. Sanctuary is a very important word. Sanctuary sanctuary, it is a noun. It refers to a very safe place. Sanctuary means a very safe place. Then heritage. Heritage is a noun. It means something that can be inherited. What is inherited is called heritage. Next, vibrant. Vibrant means pulsating with vigor and energy. Ply means traverse. Ply means travel. Ply means travel or move over something. Typical means characteristic of a particular person or thing. Dear learners, let us now deal with some short questions along with their answers. Open at page 124 of your textbook and look at question number 3. Where is Kuakata located? First question. Where is Kuakata located? First question, short question. Where is Kuakata located? 124 page. Question number 3. Writing answers to the short questions. Number 1. Where is Kuakata located? Where is Kuakata? Where is Kuakata located? We have to describe the location of Kuakata. So Kuakata is located. Kuakata is located on the southernmost tip of Bangladesh. Tip, the word tip refers to a margin or edge of something. Kuakata is located on the southernmost tip of Bangladesh. It is in Lata Chapli Union. It is in Lata Chapli Union of Kolapara police station of Patuakhali district. Okay, learners, this is the location of Kuakata. Kuakata is located on the southernmost tip of Bangladesh. It is in Lata Chapli Union of Kolapara police station of Patuakhali district. Where is Kuakata? Kuakata is in the Patuakhali district. Next question. Where does the name Kuakata come from? Where does the question number B? Where does the name Kuakata come from? So Kuakata comes from the name of Kua or well. Kuakata originates from or comes from the name of Kua or well. Kua or well. Or well, Kua or well. Dark. Dark on the seashore. Dark on the seashore. Seashore by the Rakhines. By the Rakhines. Kuakata comes from the name of Kua or well, dark on the seashore by the Rakhines. Next question. What is the most unique feature of Kuakata beach? Question number 3. What is the most important feature of Kuakata beach? What is the most important feature of Kuakata beach? Answer: the most important feature of Kuakata beach is that from it or from this place, from it a visitor can watch both the sunrise and the sunset. So one can easily see or watch the sunrise and the sunset standing on the Kuakata beach, and this is the most attractive feature. This is the most important feature of the Kuakata beach. Next question. What are some traditional events that take place in Kuakata? What are some important traditional events that take place in Kuakata? Next question. D. What are some important events? Events that take place in Kuakata. What are some important events that take place in Kuakata? We know that some important events like the Maghi Purnima and Rash Purnima are held in Kuakata. The festivals of Maghi Purnima, the festivals of Maghi Purnima and Rash Purnima held or take place in Kuakata. Rash Purnima and Maghi Purnima are some traditional events that take place in Kuakata. Next question. Would you like to visit Kuakata? Question number E. Would you like to visit Kuakata? Would you like to visit Kuakata? Make a list of 3 things that you would like to do while in Kuakata. Make a list of 3 things you like to do while in Kuakata. Would you like to visit Kuakata? This is a yes/no question. There are 2 types of questions, you know. WH question and yes/no question. A WH question starts with the WH word, like what is Kuakata, where is Kuakata, etc. And whenever a question starts with an auxiliary verb or a helping verb, then it becomes a yes/no question. So would you like to visit Kuakata? Yes, I would like to visit Kuakata. The answer is yes. Yes, I would like to visit Kuakata. Next, make a list of 3 things. A list of 3 things. 3 things that I like to do while in Kuakata. Is given below. First thing I like to do in the Kuakata is enjoying a bath in Kuakata. Enjoying a bath in the water of Kuakata. Then watching the sunrise and the sunset. Next, attending the traditional fairs. So if I visit Kuakata, I like to enjoy these 3 things. Number 1, enjoy a bath in the water of Kuakata. Next, watching the sunrise and the sunset. That is, I would like to watch or witness the sunrise and sunset from Kuakata. Then attending the traditional fairs that are held in that place. Dear learners, I have almost come to the end of this class. No more this day. In the next class, I will discuss another passage of another unit of the textbook. Inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.